What are some of the ways to apply one's personal brand at the workplace?
I think one good way is when you have your conversations with your managers, or skip level managers, so that they know really, again, the full package of who you are and what your interests are. A lot of, a natural place for this to happen is during your reviews, whether you have them quarterly or annually. You have your individual development goals. These should be things that are aligned for you and who you are. So you want to make sure that people know, who you are, what your interests are, where you want to be going, so that they can help you. When they don't know that, they're not able to help. So that's an important thing. And you want to make sure that your colleagues know that as well, because there's lots of opportunities that come up within a company, either to work on a special project that's aligned with you, maybe a volunteer opportunity, where you can develop all of these skills and become satisfied with the kinds of things that you're doing. But if you don't let people know that, then they're not going to know that. So it's, again, having more conversations about, who am I, what am I doing, what do I want to do, and where am I going?